Hello everyone. In this video we are going to solve question number 17 and 18 of exercise 5.2. This is question number 17 as find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and so on up to 253. The last term is 253 and we have to find out the 20th term from the last term. So for this, we will write this AP in reverse order. Then we will find out the 20th term. And this will be the 20th term from the last term of the given AP. So let's start our working. Here we can see here the common difference. Here the common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1, that is equals to 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Okay. Now, when we reverse this AP, the common difference will be minus 5. So, this AP can be written as 253 minus 5, 248, then we will minus 5 from it, then this will be 243 and so on, and this will be like 13, 8 and the last term will be 3 in reverse order. Now we have written this in reverse order. Now we can see the 20th term of this AP will be the 20th term from the last term of the given AP 3, 8, 13 and so on up to 253. Okay, so we are using this logic. Now here you can see for this AP, the first term A is 253 and the common difference D is minus 5. Okay, now we have to find out the 20th term. So as we know from the general formula, AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. So the 20th term A20 is equals to 253 plus 20 minus 1 into D is minus 5, and this is equals to 253 plus 19 into minus 5. We will have 253 minus 95 and this is equals to 158. Okay, so we will write our answer as Therefore, the 20th term from the last term of the given AP is 158. Now let's solve question number 18. The sum of the fourth and the eighth term of an AP is 24 and the sum of the sixth and the 10th term is 44. Find the first three terms of the AP. Now two conditions are given here. First one, the sum of the fourth and the eighth term is 24 and the sum of the sixth and the 10th term is 44. Now for this we have to find out the first three terms of AP. Now for solving this, first of all we will find out all the terms A4, A8, A6 and A10 in terms of their first term and their common difference D. Okay, then we will solve as per the given conditions to find out A and D. Then we can easily find out the three terms of the AP. So let's start solving. Now we know the nth term of an AP can be given as an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is also called the general term where a is the first term, where a is the first term and d is the common difference of the AP. So we can find out the value of these terms as, so A4 is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. N is 4. 4 minus 1 into D, and this is equals to A plus 3D. Similarly, we can find out the sixth term. A6 is equals to A plus 6 minus 1 into D equals to A plus 5D, and A8 is equals to A plus 8 minus 1 into D, that is A plus 7D, and A10 is equals to A plus 10 minus 1 into D, and this is equals to A plus 9D. Now as per the given condition, the first given condition is sum of fourth and eighth terms is 24. So this is fourth term A4 plus the eighth term A8 is equals to 24. This is the first condition, which implies that now we can substitute the values of A4 and A8 in this equation. So we are having A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equals to 24. Okay. Now this implies that 2A plus 10D is equals to 24. Now we can see both sides of this equation have 2 2 as common. So we can divide both sides by 2. Then we will have this equation as a plus 5d is equals to 12. And let's mark this equation 1. Also given that the sum of 6th and 10th term a6 plus a10 is equals to 44. This implies that a6 is a plus 5d plus a10 is a plus 9d, and this is equals to 44, implies that 2a plus 14d is equals to 44. Now here again we can see 2 is common on both sides, so we can divide both sides by 2. So we will have a plus 7d is equals to 22. This is equation 2. Now we are having two equations. A plus 5d is equals to 12 and a plus 7d is equals to 22. From here we can find out the value of a and d. Now first let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We will have subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. You can see a and a will be eliminated, and 7d minus 5d is 2d, and 22 minus 12 is 10. This implies that d is equals to 5. Now substitute the value in equation 1. Now from equation 1 we have a plus 5d, that means a plus d is 5. A plus 5 into 5 is equals to 12. This implies that a plus 25 is equals to 12. Implies that a is equals to 12 minus 25. This is equals to minus 13. Now we are having the value of the common difference d and the first term as minus 13. So now we can find out. Therefore a1 is equals to minus 13. a2 is equals to a1 plus d, that is minus 13 plus 5, and it is equals to minus 8. a3 we have to find out 3 terms, so this is a2 plus d, and this is equals to minus 8 plus 5, that is equal to minus 3. So therefore the first 3 terms are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. So this was the solution of question 18. Thank you and have a nice day.